Baklayan natin sa ego na complete number guys. Two in the front, two in the back, allowing them to grab items. So march the boy, left, right, right, left, right, and baba. Good boy. Marakang dahil daw dyan boy. High five daw kay Kuya Richie. High five. One more pa daw, Barak. One more high five. Alright, napakalambing ito ni Barak folks. Okay. Now Barak, boy, kiss to Kuya Richie daw. Bigyan ng kiss si Kuya Richie. Wow! One more para Kuya Richie. Sa kabilang kiss kayo para Kuya Richie. One more. Okay now guys, at hindi lang yan. Si Barak ay isang Eco Warrior din. Who here segregates their trash? Sino sa inyo dito ang nagsesegregate ng kanilang mga basura? Anyone? That's kamay. Okay, we have Mom. Sino pa? Alam, si Mom lang yung nagsesegregate. Yung iba, hindi ka nagsesegregate po. Ako po ngayong umaga, tuturuan tayo ni Barak. Paano mag-segregate ng kanyang basura? So anong nandyan, Kuya Richie? Ating basurahan, we have a biodegradable bin. At i-check yan ni Barak folks kung gumagana. Uy, mukhang matigas yung isa, Kuya Richie. And also we have a non-biodegradable bin. At i-check yan ulit ni Barak guys. About yung isa po, check ko muna. Perfect, at mukhang okay na. Mukhang ready na si Barak Kuya Richie. Now, Kuya Richie, at the count of 3, lapag ang basura. 1, 2, 3, and go. Okay, nung unang kukunin ni Barak folks, a piece of plastic, which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. Good boy, and this time, it's another leaf, which is gonna go to the biodegradable bin. May dalawang pang basura boy. Plastic naman, which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. May isa, one last piece of trash na lang boy. Leave down. Saan nilalagay ang down? To the biodegradable bin. Palakpakan po natin si Barak folks. As you can see guys, kung kaya ni Barak mag-segregate ng basura, syempre kaya din natin folks, no? Alright now guys, at dahil galing pa ng Brazil, si Barak, magpapaalam na po si Barak folks. Okay, mga mama cheer, mga ate, mga kuya, wave bye-bye to Barak ko, wave bye-bye. Alright, din sila wave bye-bye. Alright now Barak, mag-bye-bye ka na kasi nag-bye-bye na sila. Sino Barak? Wave bye-bye to everybody. Wave bye-bye. Hala, okay. Bye-bye. Barak, wave bye-bye. Hala, Barak, wave bye-bye daw po eh. Hala ka Kuya Richie. Hindi pa gusto mag-bye-bye Barak Kuya Richie. Sige na po eh, Barak, wave-bye. Sige, wag na lang natin pilitin Kuya Richie, okay? Naku Kuya Richie, gusto ko ni Barak mag-stay sa show. Siyempre, Barak i-highlight natin yung ibang kasamahan mo. Boy ha? Okay, once again folks, that is Barak. Lunin mong nagawin Kuya Richie. Palakpakan po natin. Once again, thank you.